In more news, it's going to be a big day in court for actor Salman Khan with the hearings in the blackbuck and hit-and-run case coming up today. The Supreme Court will be hearing the 1998 blackbuck poaching case, and more witnesses are expected to depose in the hit-and-run case before the Mumbai Sessions Court, where Salman will be present. The Supreme Court, in its hearing on the poaching case, was critical of the relief granted to the actor by the Rajasthan High Court, staying his conviction in the case. The observation assumes importance, as Salman, in his affidavit, had told the court that he had always been treated as an ordinary citizen by courts and never been granted any special privileges. Meanwhile, more witnesses are expected to depose in the hit-and-run case in Mumbai. In an earlier hearing, a parking attendant from JW Marriott Hotel had told the court that he had seen the actor in the driver's seat. He had also claimed that the actor had given him a tip of 500 rupees. When cross-examined, the witness also said that singer Kamal Khan was present with Salman in the car. Let's get a word from our team of reporters tracking this big story for us. Jaskirat Singh Bawa joins us live from the national capital. Also with us, Amrita, who's in Mumbai tracking developments. I want to come to you first, Jaskirat. It's a big day in the blackbuck case, especially after the Supreme Court's observations that actually questioned the relief that Salman received by the Rajasthan High Court.
Well, that's correct, which is why the Rajasthan government had come over here to the Supreme Court in July to overturn the Rajasthan High Court order, which basically allowed Salman Khan to get him to get visa to travel to UK. Now, the basic rule by which he had actually approached the court was, in some cases, any punishment which is within 4 years, you're not allowed to get visa to certain countries where Salman Khan wanted to travel to. His sentence was for 5 years. Now, when the High Court had suspended the sentence, he was given an exemption. This exemption was brought under question. It has been debated in the Supreme Court already. The Supreme Court also making remarks about how everyone needs to be treated at par. And today is the final argument in this particular case. Now, what we're expecting is for the Supreme Court to decide on whether they will reserve the order today after hearing the final arguments, or they could even either strike off the Rajasthan government's petition, or perhaps ask Salman Khan or overturn the order of the High Court and reinstate the conviction of Salman Khan.
That's a crucial developments expected today. Jaskirat, stay on with us. Let's also get a word from Amrita, who's with us live from Mumbai. Amrita, important hearing in the hit-and-run case as well, coming after that testimony from the parking attendant, and we're also being told that Salman is expected to be present in court.
Definitely, Simi. This is an important day for Salman Khan's hit-and-run case. I'm standing outside Sessions Court, where the case hearing will start at around 11 this morning, and Salman Khan is expected here. He has to come here for this hearing. But today there will be a witness deposition, and this is an important part of this hearing. What we are getting now, that Salman Khan will reach here at around 11 or 11:30, but still his some shootings are going on of Big Boss. So there is some confusion whether Salman Khan will come here or not, but till now we have seen that the case has got a series of delays. In last hearing also, one witness identified Salman Khan and said that Salman Khan was the person who was driving his SUV car. The other witness also said he was the parking attendant in Marriott Hotel. He also said that Salman Khan was driving the car, and he also gave him a tip of 500 rupees. So now also the more witnesses will depose in the court. The hearing will start at around 11. We have to wait and watch whether Salman Khan will come for this hearing or not. Back to you.
Well, Jaskirat and Amrita, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for developments through the day.